About this item: USB-C to Ethernet adapter, Type-C to Ethernet adapter, and enjoy stable connection speeds of up to 1 Gbps, downward compatible with 10 Mbps/100 Mbps, Cat6 and up Ethernet cables are the key to reaching 1 Gbps. Stable and reliable connection. USB-C device data cables are longer than commercially available and provide instant internet connectivity between wired networks, provide a faster and more reliable network, and resolve issues with no LAN gigabit network interface and wireless network loading or buffering issues. Broad compatibility, plug and play, no driver required. Ethernet adapter supports any USB-C device such as MacBook Pro, MacBook, MacBook Air, Dell XPS, Chromebook, Samsung S20, Pixel, Nintendo Switches, and many other USB-C laptops, tablets, smartphones, and game consoles. Compact design and portability. Ethernet to USB-C adopts a high-quality aluminum case, superheat dissipation capacity, smaller than your finger, 1.85 0.98 0.7 inches, and weighs almost nothing, 1.18 ounces, very portable. You can